All right, hey everybody, it's Pinecone Jeff, and today I got a nice package from David Plantboy on Instagram. I traded him some sundews, and this is what he got back from me. It was a Utricularia bisquamata. I will do a video later on planting these guys. Oops, shoot, sorry. And the other one is another Utricularia, I think. I can't even pronounce that. I don't even know what that says, but it's another Utricularia. And they look pretty good. And then he also gave me this cool aroid of some sort. I'm not sure what it's called. There's no tag on it. But it's going to be pretty cool to plant these guys up. So thank you very much, David Plantboy. Hey everyone, it's Pinecone Jeff, and as promised, I'm going to do a video here on these Utricularia that I got from David Plantboy, and got a couple of them here. I'm going to get some of this pre-moistened peat moss and perlite mix that I got from California.Carnivores. Some soil in there. I'm gonna pack it in pretty good. All right. I like to use these clear pots because then you get to see the stolons from the Utricularia growing when it gets to the sides. It's very cool. You get to see them all in there. All right, I'm gonna pack this one a little bit more too. All right. Now let's see what we got here. This is the one that I can't really read what this says. But let's get this guy out. All right, let's make a little depression in here. Get that in there. And this one, another depression. Bisquamata. Let's get that plug in there. And that's it. And here they are all potted up. Really looking forward to these guys taking off. Maybe this guy probably needs to get pushed down a little bit more. Let's get that down in there. All right. And we'll go and put these into the cabinet. All right, I have some room in here. Set them in some water. Dross about a grass garden. See how this is? Move him over. This guy over. All right. All right, we'll see how these guys do. Let me show you my other Utricularia that are growing in clear pots. These are in bigger pots here. This one is Utricularia Peter Rabbit. And you really see that they're growing like crazy under the pot here. And I'm waiting for them to pop out, and they're starting to, I think they're starting to emerge. Some of them are. So pretty soon they'll be coming up, and I'm really hoping to get a big pot of flowers. Over here is another Utricularia. Oh my gosh, look at that. I haven't seen this in a while. I forgot what this one was. I'll have to look it up. It's another Utricularia, and these guys are actually starting to emerge out of the soil. So really looking forward to these guys coming out. All right. Thanks again, David Plant Boy. Bye.